Okay, this time we're dressed, we're in the swing, and we're happy. Do you have a smile maybe, buddy? Hey? Hello, Matthew. Can you smile for your grandparents? Huh? Let's stop this thing here. There's that pesky dog again. Get out of here, Maxie. Get out of here. Hey, buddy. Hi. Hi. Look at those big blue eyes. Yeah. Maxie, get out of here. Look at the baby. Get. Hey, buddy. Can you smile? Can you smile? Give me a smile, buddy. Oh, what are you thinking about, huh? Your snazzy new clothes from Grandma Rosie, huh? You're looking at your puppy now. What's your puppy doing? What's your puppy doing? Oh, Matthew. No smiles for me today. Maybe later.